እንኳን ደረሳችሁ
ዶሮአቸው ሊበላ ነው ዛሬ እንደምታዩት ይሄን ይመስላል ግን ምን አልቀመስነውም ይጣፍጣል አይጣፍጥም የሚለውን እንግዲህ ሞቅ አድርገን ስንበላው ነው የምናውቀው እንኳን አብሮ አደረሰ ምን ማለት ነው እሱ ደግሞ
hello in Chinese
እና እንኳን አደረሳችሁ ነው ያልኩት እኔ
hello
ኤይ እጃችሁን ታጠቡ በሉ እሺ እንደሱ ኳስ እየተጫወታችሁ እንደመቼም አትበሉ guys እጃችሁን ታጠቡ ተነሱ no ታጠብ ተነሱ wash your hands go እጃችሁን ታጠቡ ነካችሁ ኳስ ነካችሁ ኳስ ነካችሁ ያ ታጠብ ተነስ ማን ኳላችሁ ኳሱ what
I know that
it was in ያም ታጠብ ተነስ ታጠብ
that is making my toe hurt
tennis. Are you guys ready? Huh?
Yes.
Doro tum dino. Mitafiki maslato?
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Whenever we make it, it's always good.
Oh, what in ya? Minna. I don't know.
You don't believe in us?
I don't know in that play.
No, yours is like a lie.
Okay. Oh, and about sour cream.
Yeah, the sour cream.
Top right. Up right. There you go.
Okay.
That's really so good.
It looks the same.
It looks the same.
It kind of looks like Mr. too.
What?
Can't say that. What to eat?
Easy game, come on.
Yeah, because now
Never
what's
think
that
not
gonna
get
be?
some lamp. Sour cream at the shop. Largo hunu? No.
No, dude.
No.
It's okay.
Yeah, you're correct.
I need alphaligum. That's
I
the
smack it, bro. Like, what are you doing?
No, your foot is too hard for me to do that.
back. Go best.
There, and then that's
Your money is.
Tweaking.
Oh,
Everybody,
we're getting our own
get a
right there?
minuscule amount, yeah.
Easy game, come on.
Save the sour cream for later.
Okay.
That's so much better.
ለማለም ታስባላል
Complaining. You shouldn't be complaining.
እንደምታዩት ይሄን ይመስላል ዋው ኦኬ are you guys ready okay taste it አባት አንተም ቅመስና ንገራቸው እስኪ ንገራቸው አስተያየት
Already better than last time.
አቤ
Much more flavor.
እስኪ ንገሩኛ ቆንጆ ነው አባት የምር ነው አቤት ውሸታችሁ
Because there's like way more flavor than before.
ከኔ ይበልጣል ማለት ነው
There's like more pepper inside.
ረሳው በሙሉ
There's like a big explosion in your house.
እሺ
So good.
አሪፍ ነው እንግዲህ እንዳያችሁት በጣም ቆንጆ ነው እኔ ደግሞ እንግዲህ አስተያየቴን ነግራችኋለሁ ልክመስላችሁ
The chicken is better still. You want gold.
Chicken is very tender.
Wow,
The chicken is really cool. So putting every part of a chicken deserves to be grow away. Crazy, bro. Only the leg.
ግሩፕ ብቻ ነው የሚጣፍጠው እያሉ ነው እንደምታዩት ግሩፕ
The way the thigh and the
Bro, it's
breast
breaking
and
apart
the
in my hand, bro.
drumstick.
So tender.
ዋው በጣም አሜዚንግ ነው
Now I can take me to the chicken.
በቃ በሚመጣው አመት እነሱ ይስሩ በቃ በሚመጣው አመት እነሱ ይስሩ በቃ
በቃ
እኛ ሪታየር አድርገናል ረዴት ገና ጣጥ እየሰራለሁ ብላለች
በቃ አስተላልፈሻል
I'm only gonna do the
ገልበጥ
chicken.
እየሰራለሁ ብለሻል አይደል? ዶሮ ሰፓሬት ራስ ያርጌ እሰራለሁ ብለሻል።
I only can separate the chicken and the skin.
ሰፓሬት ማድረጉ ምንም ችግር የለውም። ማቁላላቱ ነው የሚደክመው ብለዋል።
Very easy.
Where's that put this?
ቆንጆ ነው።
It's better than that.
አይ Nothing not closer?
Makes everything better.
All you did, mommy, was basically mixing it.
Yeah, but you just mixed it. You really do it.
ማማሰል እኮ ነው የሚያደክመው አላችሁ እኮ። ያማሰልኩት እኔ ነኝ።
Yeah, but we do everything else.
Yeah, next time we'll do everything else and then we'll mix it. We'll take turns.
እኔስ በጣም ሰርተዋል ጎበዞች። Good job.
I appreciate it.
ለመጣው አመት እንገናኝ። ምን ነው ማለት
I think we've proven ourselves. More than enough.
ዋናው ማለት ትችላላችሁ ነው። ችግሩ ግን አንድ ሲጨምር ስለሆነ የትኛው እንደገባ አላስታውሱም አሁን።
99% leaves. The onions. Everything leaves around there.
Onion, then
አቀት ወይ ቢዶን ጋግላር ኮኩሪ ሰሩት ጋግላቸው I have a question. How was the dooro what?
Very good. That was the best dough ever.
what was amazing?
አንቺ ምንድን ነው ያልሽው?
That was the best dough I've ever tasted.
Wow. Mine is
The
better.
what was amazing. The what was amazing.
Huh?
The what was amazing.
The what's amazing? Next year ትሰራለህ? አንተ ብቻ? What about you?
Yeah, I like it. It's better. You know, compared to Ethiopia, our dough was better.
ጭራሽ ከኢትዮጵያ ማስበለጣችሁት። አቤት ጉራ። አቤት ጉራ። አቤት ጉራ።
Ours is better. That's the truth.
ያቃጥላል።
That's because we didn't mix it long enough. If we did, it would be perfect. But other than that, it's really tastes better. Some more flavor. The chicken is perfect.
ስለዚህ ኔክስት ይር እናንተ ራሳችሁ ትሰራላችሁ ሙሉ
Sure, it's not hard.
Okay.
That's how it would be hard to leave. Most of the time, it's just mixing, which is
The mix-
you have to do.
ያብ እሱን እንደ ማማሰሉ ስለሆነ ያብ ይሰራዋል እሱን ፓርት ኧረ እባክህ
Everything else is easy. You cut the onions. If you wear goggles, onions don't even burn. The machine literally cuts the onions. You don't need to do anything.
ዋይን እየጠጣ ነው እንደምት ዋይን የምትጠጣ ነው የምትመስለው ዋይን እየጠጣው ነው እንጆ እያረኩ ነው
That's never gonna.
never gonna happen ሰምታችኋል never gonna happen ዋይን የሚባል ራሱ ባፍ ያልቀምስ ብሏል ይሄ ማስረጃ ነው
Yeah.
Okay what about you ወይን ትጠጣለህ ወደፊት
No.
never
Wine is nasty.
okay you said right nasty okay what about you አጠጭም never okay ማስታወሻ ነው በቪዲዮ ይዣለሁ what about you ያቢ
Never.
never
Yep, never ever.
okay thank you በልፍረስ ዛሬ የተጋገረው ዳቦ ይሄ ነው እንግዲህ ከበቀደሙ ያነስ ይላል ሰፋ ይላል
ትልቅ ነው
ይሄማ ትልቅ ነው ስፋቱ ነው ወደ ላይ ግን ያኛው ከፍ ይላል
በጣም የሚገርም ዳቦ ነው ቆንጆ ነው
yeah thank you ቡና ጠጣ ምን ያስቃል ቆየው አረስቼው ነው ባሳብ አሪፍ ቡና እኔ ጠጣላችኋለሁ ለነሱ
Hey, that should be for me. That should be for me.
ላንተ ልስጥህ ለነሱ ፋንታ ልጠጣላቸው እሰይ
Oh, they get Fanta?
ወይስ ፋንታ
I don't know. You ask me.
You tell me.
you tell me
You don't need to correct me.
say fine finally I correct Yavi. Yay!
I can't wait for my birthday.
Okay? Gonna come. Mana chocolate. Mina marga sugana.
Where am I gonna go?
Yes, a tierno.
A plane.
Plane?
Huh?
No, Vesiano tu ma plane stangawam. Sama, but. Guys, ready? Mama, there's no mark for anything. Look, plane is go to no. Plane. Yeah, no. I know, no. Plane is my one. Another go.
Google Flash. Again.
Again, I'll leave this up. And tell me no. Lila can't have Samantha.
Outside. In the bush.
Outside, did you stick up there?
Outside in the bush.